Welcome to Captain's Admin Console. In this video presentation, I will walk you through its features, how to manage the content and data, and how it seamlessly correlates with the Captain app. Let's begin on the home screen and start by managing users. Click User Management. User Management allows an administrator to control the users that are registered within the Captain Admin Console and the Captain app. As you can see, listed are the users that are registered in the Captain app. To view registered Admin Console users, click the drop-down and select Admin. Now let's add a new user to the Admin Console. Click Add User. Enter the user's email, select Admin, create a password, confirm that password, and finally, Submit. I will now search for the user I just created. As you can see, the status of the user is listed as registered, meaning they can now use their credentials to log into the Admin Console. Notice the lock and unlock buttons next to each user. By pressing lock on a user, they will lose access to the console or app, depending on their registry. Users can only be granted access again if an administrator unlocks their account. Pressing unlock will send the user a passcode to their email. From that point, a user can re-register using that passcode. Next, we will discuss the reference library. As you can see, there are a list of documents that are uploaded to this library. The idea for this library is to upload content such as documents, audio files, video files, or photos that users, in this case pilots, can refer to for policies and guides. There is a reference library within the Captain Utilities portion of the app that these files can be accessed. Let's upload a policy example. Simply click Upload File. Begin by adding a title, a description, choose policy for the subcategory, leave operational as the discriminator since it will be an operational document. Next, find your document, attach it, then press Submit to upload the file to the Captain app. You can view the file once it has been uploaded in the list below. Each file has a download or delete button, so administrators can easily delete files or download files within this section. Moving on, we will discuss forms. Click the Forms tab in the Navigator. These forms are dynamic, which primarily means questions can change and the question types can change instantly. Let me walk you through an example to better explain. First, we will create a new form. Click Add Form. Add a title, then write in a description. After you create a question, they will appear in the area below. Let's add a question. Click New Question. In a new window, let's type in manned or unmanned. The next required entry is the question type. Question type is basically the different ways that each question is answered. Click the drop-down to present the different types. Each of the question types have a detailed description below the drop-down. They range from text entry to autocomplete text to numbered entry, plus more. One I want to cover is branch select. Branching allows you to branch an already created form off of an answer option in a question. I'll type in manned in the display field as an answer and branch off the manned aircraft form. Then I'll enter unmanned and branch off a different unmanned form. Now in the Captain app, when I select one of these two options, it will prompt two different forms. Once you have all the questions that you want on your form, simply submit and it will be added to the Captain app. Next is crew member data. Adding crew member data in the Admin Console allows users to search for a crew member within the app. A few examples are co-pilot, passengers, and OSO. Each utilize the crew member autocomplete feature in the Captain app, and users can search for crew members that are listed in this database. Also, when searching for crew members in the Search tab of the Captain app, a user can view the crew member's information. Let's add a new crew member. Click Add Crew Member. A form will appear. Answer all the required fields before moving to the next screen. Fill out personal information, passport info. To add medical records, click Add Medical Information. This will prompt a new screen. Here you are able to upload files of your medical records. These files will also be stored in the reference library on the Admin Console, where they will be listed as medical info. Next, list your aeronautical experience. Finally, add your FAA certifications, which are also stored in the reference library database. Once finished, submit and the new crew member will be added to the database. Administrators can also search for specific keywords and create CSVs on this page. Lastly, let's review aircraft management. To add a new aircraft, click on Add Aircraft. Enter in the admin number, for example M500, M being for manned. The drop-down below puts the aircraft in the correct manned or unmanned form in the flight record. Let's choose manned since it's M500. Continue by selecting all the required fields, then complete steps 2 and 3. This is the end of the Captain Admin Console presentation. Thank you.